Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make this creamy coconut shrimp tempura. This is delicious coconut sauce drizzled over fried shrimp tempura. This can be served as an appetizer or a main dish meal. This is so easy to make and is so good, you'll definitely want to try this, so stay tuned. And here are the ingredients. You'll need tempura batter mix. I'm using McCormick brand. You'll need ice cold water with that. Vegetable oil to fry, condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, 1 pound of peeled shrimp. I bought them already peeled. Can of coconut cream. This is not to be confused with coconut milk. This is coconut cream. Cornstarch, coconut extract, which is like vanilla extract but coconut flavored, and mayonnaise. And that's it. Now let's put this together. I'm going to start with making the creamy coconut sauce. Open the coconut cream can and only pour out the coconut cream part into a sauce pot. And save the liquid part in the can for now. Then add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, which will bring out the sweetness. And then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken up the sauce and give it a good mix. Now put this on the stove on medium-low heat and continue to stir. Once it starts boiling, look at the consistency of the sauce. If it's too thick, slowly add in some of the coconut milk from the can to thin it out a bit until you get the desired consistency sauce. And this right here looks good. And I'll set this aside for now. For the tempura batter mix, all you need is 1 cup of ice cold water and the batter packet mix. I'll pour both of that into a bowl and mix. At this point, we can heat up the oil in a frying pan. Using vegetable oil, I'll pour until I get a thin layer across the entire bottom of the pan. And when the oil starts to heat up, I'll dip each shrimp into the batter, then into the frying pan one by one. Check the bottom of the shrimp. Once it's slightly golden brown, turn it over and fry the other side of the shrimp. This should only take a few minutes. And here's how they look. Now with the coconut sauce we just made, drizzle and pour that over the shrimp. This coconut sauce is very delicious, goes perfectly with the tempura shrimp. To me, the quality of this tasty shrimp is like something you'd find at a nice high-end restaurant. And there you've made the creamy coconut shrimp tempura. Doesn't it look so good in this coconut bowl? You can serve this as a finger food appetizer item or as a main dish item. You can smother the sauce all over the shrimp to get it well coated with the coconut sauce. You can't go wrong with adding more sauce to it. This is a shrimp recipe to try out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.